Okay, 88 Mustang GT speed density. GT 40p heads, exhaust, MSD bullcrap, that's about it. Been having a pretty strange problem. I think it was the only way to really describe it would be to put it in a video, I guess. But, well, let's start it up and I guess I'll show you from there. Lately it's been having a weird misfire. I'm not sure why. Oh, guess I need the key. Hold on. Okay, as you can see, well, first off, it's not even that cold. I live in Arizona. It's like maybe 55 degrees, almost 60 outside. And so there's no reason for it to be spiked this high. People have been telling me it's the choke, but I mean, does it really go like this? Does it really supposed to do this? Okay, but as you see, it settles down, but spikes up. Let me rev it up a little bit. As you can see, it comes down. Look at it, it jumps, and it just keeps missing like that. And the RPMs jump. And sometimes it'll go to the point where it almost dies. See, as you can see right here, it's just doom. And it almost died there. And it does this for a while. And I mean, I would say it would, as the car gets warmer, the times it does it leessens. But my car never really gets warm. It's usually just, let me get to the thing. It usually gets maybe to about the A, and that's it. No matter how hard I beat on this car, that's usually where it stays. So I'm a little confused about that. As you see, oil pressure is normal. I mean, I'm a little bit low on the gas, but also as you can see, notice where my gas gauge is. My gas gauge is fairly accurate. Now you can see on my odometer, I use that to track how many miles I have in a tank. I only have 97 miles on this tank. So this thing is burning some serious damn gas, and I'm a college student. That's just not cool. This car, when I bought it, it was running fine and it was making a good 24-25 miles per gallon, so I haven't really done much to it, save take off the small equipment and put the GT 40p heads. So I'm a little bit unsure of that. Let's get outside the car. I don't know if you can see, but it's letting out a little bit of smoke. Not much though. You can smell it a little bit though. It's running pretty rich. Got my timing right here because I was timing it. As you can see right here. Okay, the white mark is topped at 10 degrees timing. Right now I have it set. Right now it's about like, I'd say maybe at 20 or 30 with the stop protector in, which is weird because pushing it go back to the stop protector, just put it back in, but I had it set at like 16 with the stop protector out. Maybe I just run out of time, I don't know, that's definitely a possibility. I'm never good at this. I mean, I'm going to keep playing with the timing and see what's up, but I mean, even with the timing like that, I mean, should it really miss like this? But anyways, any help is appreciated. I'm pretty much lost on this one. I mean, as you can see, it idles relatively fine. Also, I've been posting on another board. This is before I haven't replaced this little ECT sensor yet. I plan on doing that next if this doesn't work out. Maybe that's my problem. Fuel pressure also is at with a good 37 psi. I have an adjustable, so at idle, but I haven't checked maybe when it's running. I'll do that next if things don't work out here. Anyways, any help is really appreciated. This is pissing me off. Thanks.